25 sentences using the phrase as far as.
As far as I know, the meeting has been rescheduled to tomorrow.
He walked as far as the old oak tree before turning back. As far as the eye can see, there's nothing but desert. As far as my experience goes, this is the best software for the job. She went as far as to call me late at night to apologize.
As far as the rules are concerned, you must submit the form by Friday.
We traveled as far as the mountains before stopping for the night.
As far as I'm concerned, you did an excellent job.
As far as the weather forecast shows, it's going to be sunny all week.
The road stretches as far as the horizon.
As far as I can remember, we haven't met before.
He pushed his limits as far as they would go.
As far as safety is concerned, this is the best option.
The view from the top of the hill extends as far as the city limits.
As far as our plans are, we'll start the project next month.
She went as far as to learn a new language for the job.
As far as the company policy is concerned, we can't offer refunds.
They swam as far as the buoy before returning to shore.
As far as history tells us, this land has always been fertile.
As far as I'm aware, he still lives in the same house.
The trail goes as far as the river and then turns south.
As far as the budget allows, we can include a few extra features.
She ran as far as the park and then decided to head back.
As far as the documentation indicates, the process is straightforward.
The light from the lighthouse can be seen as far as 20 miles out to sea.